A journey from Fergana to Andijan by Marshrutka is a wonderful way to experience the everyday beauty of the Fergana Valley. Instead of simply traveling between two cities, the journey allows you to observe green countryside, agricultural fields, villages, roadside markets, and the daily life of Uzbek people. You can easily find Marshrutka or the mini bus from the center of the city in Fergana, and then you can pay just a few pennies in order to travel from this city to Andijan. The journey usually begins at a busy transport area in Fergana. This is the most renowned part in the city. As the Marshrutka leaves the city, the urban scenery gradually gives way to quieter streets. Before reaching this bus station, you don't need to travel by bus or the taxi. Generally, it is located at the center, and if you are residing closer by, you can easily approach this place. Better is to ask the people the shortest way to reach that place. While traveling from your residence to this station, you can also explore the beautiful flower shops and stalls which are the hallmark of Fergana city. At this bus station, you can find the transport to any part of Fergana Valley or other cities of Uzbekistan easily. It is not only economical but interesting to travel along with the local people. As the Marshrutka you find, you start traveling, you see shops, small cafes, orchards, forests pass by. The people going about their daily activities. Soon the buildings become less dense and the landscape opens into the fertile countryside. One of the most attractive features of the journey is the lush landscape of the valley. The fertile land is usually extensively used for agricultural purposes, and depending on the season, you may see fields of cotton, wheat, vegetables, fruit trees, and other crops. Rows of trees along roads provide shade, while irrigation channels and small streams reflect the importance of water in this agricultural region. The surrounding mountains may appear in the distance, creating a beautiful natural background to the relatively flat valley. On a clear day, the combination of green fields, blue skies, villages, and distant mountains make the journey particularly scenic. As the Marshrutka continues towards Andijan, it passes through villages and smaller settlements. This is an excellent opportunity to observe ordinary rural life. Traditional houses often stand behind walls and gates.
Хорошо. Отлично. Хорошо.
Andijan is called as the city of skilled people. And of course, it is said that the most brave people live in this city because of the city of the Emperor Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur, the founder of Mughal dynasty in India. Andijan's markets are among the best places to experience everyday local culture. A traditional bazaar is full of movement, colors, smells, and conversations. Vendors arrange vegetables, fruits, dried fruits, nuts, spices, bread, dairy products, meat, and household goods in attractive display. These are not only cheaper but very fresh because these are brought here from the fields directly. The fruits and vegetable sections are particularly enjoyable. The fertile Fergana Valley produces abundant agriculture products and a seasonal produce. Look at the beautiful
Прекрасно. Красиво. Да, 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 красиво. А, да, да. Да. Красиво.
Сами откуда?
Я? Ви мазите догадар се откуда я?
The vendor is saying that you won't taste such dry fruits anywhere in the world. And of course, the crispy, fresh, and highly tasty dry fruits are the hallmark of Andijan. It is said that the most tastiest fruit is grown here in Andijan that represents the entire
Что это?
Fergana Valley.
Семечки.
Симски. Это, как это?
Тоже семечки.
Хорошо. Спасибо. Это продукты Узбекистана?
Walk slowly through the market, observe vendors arranging their goods, listen to conversations, and watch customers selecting and buying products. The bazaar provides an excellent picture of ordinary Andijan life. Bread has a special place in Uzbek culture. All markets and small bakeries you can often see beautifully prepared round leaves of traditional Uzbek bread. Let us ask some information.
Извините, друзья, ассаламу алейкум. Салам. Где статуя Зahirudin Muhammad Babur? Статуя Zahirudin Muhammad Babur.
жаңағы ол тепеге шығасыз. Он төрге шығасыз, он төрге шығып тұрып.
Направление, это направление.
Жүресіз.
Прямо.
Yürüp тұрып, таңазда бар, 14 таңы.
$200 verme sen aylantıra yürüme. 100.
Andijan strongly reflects the cultural traditions of Fergana Valley. Hospitality is an important part of social life. Fresh fruit markets, vegetable stalls are everywhere, especially the fresh bread is very common throughout the region and you can purchase at a cheaper price from the open market. The wonderful berries and dried fruits are highly tastiest and it is recommended that if you come to this region have abundant taste of these types of specialties. Family life remains very important. Traditional homes frequently have courtyards where family members can sit together, eat, talk, and relax. Similarly, the facade of markets are wonderfully designed that reflect the beauty and aesthetic culture of Uzbek society. There is also a tradition of traditional clothing and customs. While younger residents generally dress in contemporary styles, older people may sometimes wear clothing reflecting traditional Central Asian culture. During wedding and other celebrations, traditional elements become much more visible, and these are easily available from the
Nite
markets.
Devashka puzzle usta gde statua Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur. Tam?
You speak English?
Yes, of course.
Turn. You may go here and
Okay.
turn
Right? Okay.
Yes.
How
And here this statue.
Okay. Thank you very much. So nice of you.
Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur occupies a special place in the history of cultural identity of Andijan. Born in Fergana Valley, he became a ruler, military commander, poet, and the founder of Mughal dynasty in India. Andijan commemorates him through both an elegant equestrian monument in the city and the beautiful Babur Memorial Park. The image of the ruler seated on horseback gives the monument a sense of movement, authority, and confidence. Rather than portraying him simply as a historical figure, the statue evokes Babur's character as a young prince who became an accomplished ruler and commander. The horse itself contributes greatly to the monument's visual elegance. Its postures create a feeling of energy and forward movement, while Babur's upright figure conveys determination and leadership. Seen against the open surroundings of central Andijan, the monument becomes an impressive visual reminder of the city's most famous historical son. The statue is particularly meaningful because Babur's connection with Andijan is not merely symbolic. Andijan is regarded as his birthplace, and his writings contain description of the Fergana landscape and places associated with his early life. Consequently, seeing his monument in his native city creates a strong connection with the modern city and the historical world described in the Babur Nama. There is also a wonderful and a beautiful park associated and close to the statue of Babur. On the other side of this park, there is a huge, well decorated, and elegant railway station. The most important information regarding the railway station is that you can take a train from Andijan to Samarkand and many other cities, Tashkent, directly, but there is also some reservation for this purpose. Sometimes you need to take the train many days before departing. Generally, there is no regular train network, but presently it is being arranged that the passengers or the visitors should have the train directly from Andijan to Tashkent. Andijan parks and green spaces are excellent places to observe the city's relaxed social life. In the late afternoon and evening, when the temperature becomes more pleasant, families come outside to walk and relax. For a deeper impression of Andijan, explore some of its quieter residential streets. You can see traditional houses, small neighborhood shops, gardens, trees, children playing, and residents performing their daily activities. These areas provide a particularly authentic impression of local life. They show Andijan not simply as a touristic destination but as a living city where families have maintained their traditions while adapting to modern life. Let us ask.
Elbette девушка, пожалуйста. Где статуя Зайруддин Мухаммад Бабр?
Я не знаю русский язык. Захирдин Мухаммад Бобур Боб.
О, да, Бабр.
To'g'ri, pravami, ne pravami?
Prava. Straight and then it is there.
Blue, nima deydi? Blue. Sini.
Ah, shini. Tam.
Sini.
Ah.
Zeyr ashitda car, mashina.
Спасибо большое.
Actually, this girl not knows well Russian as well as English, so she was reluctant to provide the information, but surprisingly she explained everything clearly. The most beautiful event in the city is to keep asking the local people about the spots. They will provide you the first hand information. And let us ask again.
Девочка, пожалуйста. Где статуя Зайруддин Мухаммад Бабр?
Вы сейчас пойдете прямо. Понимаете?
Is this?
Да.
No.
Прямо.
Кое-кто может сказать, это this, это направление здесь. Зайруддин Бабр, статус Зайруддин Мухаммад Бабр.
Майдан Машадан, Бобур Майдан. Майда.
Это та?
Да. Прямо пойдете. Потом направо, да? Потом сразу видно.
Направо.
Да.
Да. Там и направо?
Да.
А там есть?
Да, там есть.
Здесь нет?
Нет, не здесь.
О,
Вы
большое
сейчас должны
спасибо.
только прямо идти, да? До конца дороги. Потом есть большая дорога, оттуда направо.
Хорошо.
Да.
Это первая светофора или вторая светофора?
Сейчас, знаете, два светофора есть. С третьего светофора вы направо пойдете.
Третьего.
Да.
Большое спасибо.
С третьего, да.
Большое спасибо.
Хорошо.
Хорошо.
This girl provided us.
Парк.
Да, есть возле этого, да?
Парк Бабра?
Да.
Там есть.
Там тоже есть, да.
Хорошо.
Provided the most information that is not available by other ways. So, while passing through the interesting streets and walkways and the local markets, you can approach to your desired places. It is recommended that keep walking and exploring instead of traveling by the transportation. Everywhere it is very interesting. Now friends, come to Russian lesson 67. Again, irregular verbs. Two important, rather most important irregular verbs are nisti and visti. There is a frequent use of these two verbs. Let us start from nisti. We make the conjugation of nisti. 1. Ya niso. 2. Te nisush. 3. On, ana, nisut. 4. Me nisum. 5. We nisute. 6. Ani nisut. So, you can make short sentences or the phrases while using the verb nisti. Now come to the verb vishti. 1. Ya vido. 2 te vidush 3 on ana vidut 4 me vedum 5 ve vidute 6 ani vidut. So after learning the conjugation of these verbs, you can utilize different parts of the conjugation and make short sentences. The best way to make the practice is ask the question yourself and then respond that question yourself as well. This is the best way to learn or to make the practice, because that defines the direct coordination of question and answer pattern in your brain. Once you become confident, then you can make the conversation with other person, or you may ask the other person to ask you the questions mainly focusing these two verbs.